How to fix Instagram videos getting automatically bright. So the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, simply head over to your App Store or the Play Store. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Instagram. Move into this app. In here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In here, search for the application Instagram. Once you find it, head over to it. You will be landing on this page. Click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application, which will make your application run smoothly. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and help you fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram videos getting automatically bright. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.